What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Join our adventures with the bro fins. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Don't forget to, if you haven't yet. Today we fishing in Martinez, catching striped bass. Yesterday my cousin had some luck over here. He caught about like 3 or 4. And today we're gonna try to top that. How much striped bass you guys think we're gonna catch? 4, 5, maybe more. Our limit, and we go home, sleep sound. Well, guess what? You're gonna watch today and see how much we catch. So keep watching. It's windy out here also. It's about like 7 o'clock. Low tide, tide going out. We still haven't got a single bite yet. Super windy out here, but we still trying. What bait you using?
Little Polly.
Yes, sir. Hey, you guys check out the price of bloodworm lately. It shot through the roof. They want how much for a dozen bloodworm now?
The highest like 35 and up.
That's outrageous. Power worm work exactly the same. Well, I like bloodworm also, but the price is up there right now. Mudsucker bullheads like $4.50 a piece. Ghost shrimps, yeah, ghost shrimps about like what, $16.50 a dozen. Yeah, Oakland's cheap. Teach you guys how to tie a fishing line, a leader line.
Want to wrap the hook and the little knot about 7-8 times. and then you go through it. And you want to pull both and this together. There you go.
And there you have it. Leader line for all type of fishes. How long you want the leader line?
I'm gonna be measured like that.
Arm length.
And then what you do, just grab both in and grab it twice before you pull it. Bam.
There you have it. A little update, y'all. Just a little update. Still no bites. Everybody just freshen up their bait. Hopefully we get a couple hits.
About to get a 20-inch right now.
Just a 20. I just want my 20th fish of the year.
I need number 42.
42. The wind died out a little bit. The current's pushing just a little bit. Hopefully the striped bass is there. It was just biting yesterday. Hopefully the school ain't moved on to the ocean yet. We on. Make we got one on, y'all.
You to the right, you see to the right?
After a few hours.
Oh, he always to the right.
Right there. There's a big rock right there too. Be careful.
We got him.
Ooh, like a 24. This is like a 26, 25.
No, 25.
Oh yeah, it's a biggie.
It's a big one.
It's a biggie.
Hey, I was reeling up the other one to rebait, and this shit was starting to go down. I was like, hold on. That's what's up.
We got one, y'all.
Oh, that's 25 right there.
Look at 25. We gonna measure it.
Number 3 for the year.
Brofin black cat.
Yes, sir. Let's get back up.
Cat. You should have.
About good 24, 25.
Broke my leg.
Yes, sir. Night fishing. Using power worm.
Bait up, bait up. I'm playing over here. I just threw this pole out.
After how long of fishing?
3 hours.
3 hours, 4 hours.
2 hours. Y'all went overboard. We got here around like 6 something, 7.
3 hours. 3 hours. Like 9:36 right now. I mean 9:23.
Choke the hook can't see it no more.
I go measure.
You got one? Like, nah. It did the other pole.
Oh, yeah. Corner tip.
What is that?
Bring it down.
24? Fat 24.
I was right on. 24. 25.
It was almost there.
You know what's crazy? That's off the one that you was using all day too, huh?
Yep.
That's
This one, they gone to
the winner for tonight.
Black Cub. You know what Black Cub, you know what they say, right?
The same guy that came here last time and caught a 31.
31.
Like,
31 incher.
oh, Black Cub?
You see it on the shorts video.
Same spot he went to. Sitting there alone. And caught one.
Get it back out there. Yeah, 'cause I was doing the big one. Got one?
Right when I said that too. You got one? No. And if
He's still running.
let me see where I put the flowers at. Oh, right here. Oh no, that's the other one.
What y'all said it was? 20, 21?
24.
Fat 24.
Yeah, 24. And the bait's still there too. He just choked me.
Martinez, California.
I was looking for you guys. There you have it. 24-inch striped bass. The target species we're going after. 2 per limit per person. And we in Martinez, you can use 2 fishing poles out here, but you know,
We use it one each.
smacker. And we don't have to bleed the fish because it's already bleeding itself.
Pork flavor. That's why he caught the fish. Fishing bougie with some Jordans.
Seven more fish to go. That for sure was a takedown, huh?
Like Michael Dog.
Only you. We'll get started on this noodles.
Have a little A little dinner to warm us up after that last catch. Hopefully catch some more. But now we're finna enjoy our noodles. A little propane. Comes in handy. Light to carry. We on another one. We on another one. We on another one. Oh, it's right there. He coming in. Keeper like a 19.
Keeper though. Like 19.
Okay. Like a 19.
Was it 2? Yep.
We're gonna measure it. Ooh! Ooh! I can't in my pocket. Ooh!
It's going crazy.
It's going crazy.
Out going tight, going crazy. This is how you gotta plug up your worm right here. Juicy. Juicy. What you got? What you got?
My arm full.
Just bring it in, straight line.
I'll keep it.
Yep.
Not a keeper.
About 20, 21.
I'll give you about.
You looking at your phone? That was back to back. Brofin Black Cat caught one. Brofin BG caught one right after him.
Thank you. It's hidden.
I'll go inside.
I'll go inside. Back to back.
Spotty out here.
Okay. The measurement. This one's 18 and a half. The first one. You guys see it.
I turned it off already.
The other one is 21. You guys see it.
21.
I
called it again.
What's this
20,
one?
21.
21.
18 and
This
a
one,
half,
18 and a half.
21,
24.
And 24.
and 24.
Woo.
Come out here and get them. We showed y'all what we using. Power worm.
Power worm.
Sometimes sharing is caring, so yeah.
Get it out. Look, this is how you know it's back to back. Look. This hook is still in here. Look. This hook's still in here.
Brofin Black Cat limit out over there. He about to chill, cook us some food. He limit out quick.
Right there, y'all. Brofin. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Alright, YouTube, that's a wrap. We caught 3 fish. It's the end of the night. It's about 11 o'clock. We calling it quits. Tide coming in right now, but we gotta go home, man. We came did what we had to do, and we out. Peace out.
didn't have my tip lip.
Woo. Last one before we go.
Right there.
That's crazy. I was just messing with my string. Oh my God! What's that for? Oh no, it's not stuck. Is it stuck?
No.
Oh, it was hidden. As far as slack.
Right there.
Yeah, that
Ooh,
shit,
that almost would have been a double up.
yeah, that shit was hidden hella hard.
We were just about to call it a night with
Just
3
by
fish.
car at night. Ooh, okay. Ooh,
Oh,
okay.
pulling back,
That's
huh?
right there.
Oh, right here in the front, big boy.
Oh, I ain't gonna make the same mistake.
You already on land. Pull him up.
My push 18.
Oh,
Oh, that's
baby.
18 and a half, 19.
Yeah.
Oh, that's keeper. That's 19.
Yeah, 18 and a half, 19.
He limit out, and he limit out.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Brofin Dobby and Brofin there Skunk.
For real. It's okay. A long brofin smack.
He limit out right when we about to leave.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, that's like 19 now.
Yeah.
That's like 19.
All right, YouTube. I told you that we was gonna end the night, but before I end the night, I caught another one, and now we gonna end the night. Bro Fins, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching. We out.